Okay, I guess the whole world had to stop, had to come to a complete standstill to get me to sit my butt down and make these videos that I have been promising and talking about for 4 to 5 years. Okay, I'm gonna do it this time for real, y'all. For those of you who don't know me, I am Renee Mitchell Simpson. I am a plant-based chef. I'm a registered dietitian. I am a travel agency owner and a happiness life coach. And prior to COVID, I was really busy with my Black women's travel group, and we were going to places like Dubai, Thailand, Morocco, Mexico, Greece. And we'd only been in business for 2 years, but we've pretty much seen a lot of the world, made a lot of dreams come true. It was a really wonderful experience. Not to say it's over, but while we're on hiatus, I'm going to get busy with these videos that I've been talking about, and wanting to do. So you'll see me do some cooking videos. I'll do a lot of talking videos where I'm sharing. I love to talk about self-care, self-indulgence, just treating yourself to the best life and creating the best life for yourself. So that's what's to come. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, I hope there's a place for you to leave it in the comments. But if not, I know on any of the videos you can leave comments. So yeah, I'm here. I'm doing it. I'm going to do it for real this time. For real, for real. Yeah, the videos are coming. I'm going to do it this time. I don't have no choice. I'm like sitting up in the house. I got to do it now. So thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. And I look forward to sharing with you real soon. And please subscribe. Thank you. Please subscribe.